Guys, we are outside cooking. My chicken is cooking. Guys, we're going to be cooking a chicken tomato stew, chicken tomato sauce. That's what we're going to be cooking today. White rice and stew. Yeah, I have all the ingredients that I need inside: onions, seasoning cube, ginger, garlic. Everything is in here. So, and thyme. Is it thyme? Yeah, thyme. Sorry guys. So we're just going to let this cook, and that is my pot. This is the one I used to cook the chicken. I have some chicken oil here, so I'm going to be adding this maize oil. I'm going to add some. I tell you guys, I'm going to cook a fried chicken stew. I'm outside, guys. Everywhere. So I'm going to be frying the chicken, ready fried. I'm going to start by frying the chicken. The oil is hot enough. As I just cover it with this one because of the oil is flinching, it's just jumping, so I don't want it to jump everywhere. I'm just going to add my tomato paste. This is the tomato paste, Derica. I bought it in Africa Caribbean shop. And I'm going to fry my onions. I'm just going to stir it. Guys, I covered it because the thing was just splitting, I don't want it to split on me or my camera. So that is why I do that. The onions and the tomato paste, that is what we are frying right now. This still go too sweet today, not be smoking. So guys, this is fried enough. So I'm going to add the tomatoes blend. The tomatoes blend. It's a tomatoes, sweet pepper and habanero pepper. What is it called? And onions, ginger, garlic. So that is what I have here. So I'm just going to put some water to rest it, like so. And I'm going to put the bay leaves, seasoning cube, some salt. Oops, that is a lot. Some thyme, onions powder, and curry powder, and nutmeg. I'm just going to grate it like so. So we're just going to give it a stir. I have these two snail. It's a dry snail, so I'm going to put it. It's a smoky type, so I just have to put it in. Just going to cover it. I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes before I put the chicken stock on it. This is the chicken stock. I'm going to add it, and the thing is really cooking. Oh my god, did you guys see that? Just add everything. I'm just going to stir it. Yeah, when I tell they look this too, it goes sweet. That Jesus Christ. So we just keep cooking like so. The tomato sauce have been cooking, so I'm going to add the, oh my god, you guys see that? I'm going to add the fried chicken. This is the fried chicken. I'm going to add it. I hate when this thing is like this. So just add it like so. Oops, yeah, like so. Exactly. I'm just going to give it a stir. Sorry guys, I use this cover to protect the chicken while putting it in. Because why I do that? Because I don't want, if I just put it in like that, the thing will just, like, you know, it will splint everywhere. So I don't want that. That's why I support it with the cover of the pot. Guys, I'm going to add some aromat. So, guys, do you want to see the stew? The fried chicken stew is ready. Oh my goodness, did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? The way the thing they jolly. Guys, our stew done. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. When you are subscribed, remember to turn on your notification bell so whenever a video pop up, you will be notified. Yeah, see you guys in my next one. Bye.